Are you writing JAMB 2026? Don't cram everything. Just master these 20 botanical names and thank me later. 20 botanical names you must know for JAMB 2026. So let's start from number 1. The first one here is rice. The botanical name of rice is Oryza sativa. The first one must start with capital letter, while the last one must start with small letter. The first one is genus, while the last one is species. Species starts with lowercase, also known as small letter, while genus starts with uppercase, also known as capital letter. For maize, the botanical name of maize is Z maize. Z is the genus, while maize is the species. You can see, you can identify the difference by knowing the first letter starting with capital letter, while for the species, the first letter also starts with small letter. For orange, the botanical name of orange is Citrus sinensis. For okra, the botanical name of okra is Abelmoschus esculentus. The genus is Abelmoschus, while the species of okra is Esculentus. You can identify it. Genus starts with capital letter, while species starts with small letter. For water leaf, the botanical name of water leaf is Talinum triangulare. You can identify the genus, it starts with capital letter, and the species is triangulare. For cocoa, it is called Theobroma cacao. The genus starts with capital letter, while the species starts with small letter. For onion, the botanical name of onion is Allium cepa. The botanical name of rat is Rattus. That's very common. Rattus. This is the genus, while this is the species. Don't make a mistake of starting the genus and the species with capital letter, and don't make the mistake of starting the genus and the species with small letter. For lion, the botanical name of lion is Panthera leo. The botanical name of human is Homo. That's very common. Homo sapien. Homo is the genus, while sapien is the species. The botanical name of mosquito is Anopheles spp. This spp means plural of species. It means plural of species. So make sure you take note of that. The botanical name of elephant grass is Penicetum purpureum. So the genus is Penicetum, while the botanical name of the species is Purpureum. The botanical name of purple is called Carica. That's very common. The botanical name of purple is called Carica papaya. Carica is the genus starting with capital letter, while papaya is the species. 14. The botanical name of mango is Magnifera indica. Magnifera is the genus, indica is the species. The botanical name of tomato is Solanum lycopodium. Make sure the species always starting with capital, always starting with small letter, while the genus always starts with capital letter. The botanical name of dog is Canis familiaris. Canis familiaris. Canis is the genus, while familiaris is the species. The botanical name of tiger is Panthera tigris. Panthera is the genus for tiger, while tigris is the species. For housefly, the botanical name of housefly is Musca domestica. Musca is the genus, while domestica is the species. The botanical name of mushroom is Agaricus spp. spp is the plural species. Agaricus is the genus of mushroom. Botanical name of millet is Penicetum glaucum. Penicetum is the genus for millet, while the species is glaucum. So with this, we've come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.